Okay, so as you guys can hear, this is the sound that I not really like. Most probably is the aircon blower. Bye bye. So today we're going to change the aircon blower. So for this car canary, where is it? It's actually underneath of your steering. As you guys can see, the black color thing. Yes, this one. So in order to dismantle, you need to unscrew these 3 screws. And now is the process of us take out the aircon blower. Chan chan! Finally, we take it out. So as you can see, this whole thing is the aircon blower. So we need to take out the fan because the parts that we buy is only the motor. So before we put it back, of course, just clean it first. Clean as much as you can because this is the air that you're going to breathe later. So to put it back to our new aircon blower motor, the step is really easy. You just need to apply a little bit pressure to press it in. So this is how we do it. Slot it in and put a little bit pressure. Yes, it's already done. So now it's time to fix it back. Hopefully after this we will have a really cold and big air.